Cryptomon! Yeah, man. Yo, what's up, guys? Good morning, good night, wherever you are in the world. This is Cryptomon. Guys, I'm going to make this video very short and quick and straight to the point so you guys can understand what's going on. We just had a big market sell-off. I don't know who this is out here, but they are selling. I don't know what entity or whatever is going on, but they are selling, okay? The grand scheme of things shows that within the 3 months, ever since we hit the June bottom, around June 18th or whatever, we are on a uptrend, okay? Until we reach back low at this 18,000 mark and we go lower, that's when we can start to panic and be like, okay, what's going on here? But for the most part, in the grand scheme of things, we are okay. We're steadily going up from where we were, and we have already doubled up on Ethereum. Ethereum has already, anybody who bought in at these levels easily doubled their money very quickly. You put $100,000 in, now you're at 200,000. You put 1,000, you're at two grand. You put in $100, you're at $200. Okay, so cryptocurrency is still in a good spot, but the Fed is still raising rates. They know that the economy is in a double-edged sword right now, where they kind of have to raise rates and interests and just drop stocks and just kind of destroy everybody in order for things to work, because that's just their idea of saving the economy and making sure things work. It has kind of worked in the past, but that has clearly shown in the past as well that it does not work. So eventually the Fed is going to have to ease up and not tank us so bad with these interest rates. And it is what it is. It's just part of life, and there's nothing we can really do about it. But what we can do is be a smart investor and dollar cost average. Do not all into crypto, because you don't know what will happen. Okay, what if you're a guy who just all in right here at $2,000? Oh, I think Ethereum's going up to 3 grand, and then boom, now you're at 1,500. You just lost $500 if you had a whole share, and you just lost a good amount of money from your overall investment. Like, you just tank your entire portfolio because you just all in. Don't all into crypto, guys. Not a good idea. But for the most part, things are looking good. I mean, things aren't looking good for the people who bought in at the all-time highs. But for the new investors, guys, come on. XRP at 33 cents. Cardano at 44 cents. Dogecoin at 6 cents. Shiba Inu back to 4 zeros and a 12. Polygon low. Avalanche low. Like, for new investors, these are crazy opportunities, guys. And I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do not buy things on this channel just because I talk about it. But I'm letting you know exactly what everybody who profited last year did and everybody who profited the years before that. We all profit some way because we invest smart. We don't just see something and then FOMO and jump into it. We don't do that. Nobody should do that. So, guys, this is a huge buy opportunity for most people, and there's nothing wrong with getting in at these levels. But just know that when the rebound happens, you don't want to be the guy who missed out. If you think that these are big gains to go from this little $900 to 2,000, yeah, that's a nice little double. But in cryptocurrency, it's all about the triples, the quadruples, the 10 times, the 100x gains. And that's what we do in crypto all the time. That's why the older time people who've been in stocks for so long, they don't really like cryptocurrency. They don't really understand it because there's a lot that goes behind it. But guys, there are some coins out here that will literally completely change your life financially. And I'm not going to name what they are because, there's a lot of risk to that. And it's more advanced. You got to download an app. You got to swap the coin for this and that. And there's a lot. But, for user-friendly people, Coinbase is an excellent exchange that you can go and get your cryptocurrency. And yes, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Solana, Cardano, XRP is not on Coinbase, or XRP is not really on a lot of exchanges, but it is there. And I'm letting you guys know that those are coins that that somebody could easily invest into and profit very, very well, So don't miss out. And on top of that, don't listen to the crazy news and this and that, the third. Bitcoin has no use right now. A man on the street literally has no use for Bitcoin. What is he going to do with Bitcoin? Like, okay, you can hold it and hope it goes up, but there's no true utility for a regular man in Bitcoin right now. Yeah, you can go to different parts of the world and it's legal tender somewhere, or you can go to some parts of America and buy a car with it or something. But ultimately, for the average investor, there is no use for Bitcoin. Until we see some true use, and until we see quantitative easing and all that stuff just kind of chill out a little bit with the Fed, until we see anything, quantitative tightening, until we see anything like actually be good in cryptocurrency, you can't really expect too much. It's kind of just hovering at its little levels. There's no good news going on. The economy is going to the toilet. Like there isn't really a lot of great things going on. But when things crash and things get bad, that's just a huge buy opportunity for the next guy. So, not financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but be very smart. Dollar cost average, just like Warren Buffett says, and you will profit very well. If you guys are looking for those nice juicy gains, you already know you can easily get that Shiba Inu. And yeah, see, Shiba's very self-explanatory. You know, the amazing developing team. So yes, guys, HODL, be safe. Don't listen to the news too much when they talk negatively about cryptocurrency, because I'm telling you right now, 95% of those people who are over the age of 30, they have no idea what they're talking about in cryptocurrency. And those are the same ones who jump in when crypto is at $40,000, $50,000 a share, and they catch a huge L. So guys, be safe. This is CryptoMon. You know, thank all you guys who ever watched the video this far. Just HODL, dollar cost average, and don't all in. Don't be too crazy. Don't lose your mind. And don't watch crypto all day, guys. Go outside. Go to work. Go enjoy your time with your family, your friends, your girlfriend, your boyfriend. Just do whatever you can to keep your sanity, because if you just stay watching your portfolio drop, it's kind of, not the best feeling. So yeah, just let your money work for you in the back, and I'll keep you guys updated as far as what's going on. But these levels, guys, buying at these levels, there's nothing wrong with that. Worst case scenario, we go from 20K to 10K. Bitcoin, okay, 50% drop. You know how much money is going to surge into the market after Bitcoin has just fallen that low? It'll be ridiculous. So much money just flew into the market as soon as Bitcoin hit 18K. How much money you think is going to fly into it when it hits 10K and a regular man can afford it? Sam Bankman-Fried, however you say his last name, he literally said that FTX, they're not really buying any Bitcoins right now because it's not at the price they want it to be. Will it ever be at that price? Oh, nobody knows. But when it does, there's a whole bunch of other big players just like him who are in the market, who are ready to drive the price up really high. So guys, just dollar cost average and everything will be okay. We will be safe. There's literally when you're buying at these low levels, there's not really too much risk factor in it. The risk is that we fall a little bit lower, but $100,000 Bitcoin is literally inevitable. So guys, I want you to know that be safe out there, HODL, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.